Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve personal branding with Twitter, detailed guide step by step clearly. Establish a solid Twitter profile that reflects your personal brand. Choose a professional profile picture that represents you well. Craft a concise and engaging bio that highlights your expertise. Include relevant keywords to increase visibility in searches. Add a link to your personal website or portfolio in your bio. Set a header image that aligns with your brand identity. Start following thought leaders and influencers in your niche. Engage with their content by liking, retweeting, and commenting. Join relevant Twitter chats to connect with like-minded individuals. Share valuable insights and industry news to position yourself as an expert. Tweet consistently to keep your audience engaged and informed. Utilize hashtags strategically to reach a broader audience. Participate in trending topics when applicable to gain visibility. Share original content such as blogs, videos, or infographics. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. Monitor your analytics to understand what content resonates with your audience. Adjust your strategy based on the performance of your tweets. Collaborate with other users to expand your reach. Consider creating Twitter lists to organize accounts you follow. Stay authentic and true to your brand voice in all communications. Learn from your mistakes and continuously refine your. Be patient, as building a personal brand takes time and effort. Keep educating yourself on best practices in personal branding. Remember that consistency is key to a successful personal brand on Twitter. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.